So this cake slices have been in my fridge for almost like a month, and those white things you see inside are not mold or anything. It's just when I was mixing the batter, I didn't mix it really well, so like there were some parts of it that were like bubbles of flour that it didn't mix completely. Anyways, so if this is your first time on my channel, you're welcome. Thank you guys for always watching my channel. So hi guys. Anyways, so am I the only one that when I bake a cake, I like to like see what it tastes like after a couple of days or a couple of weeks? I do this thing where like I'll make a cake and then I'll keep it for a while and see like in 2-3 months what will it taste like if my customer should keep this cake for 2-3 months in the fridge, would it still be enjoyable? I do that thing a lot. Anyway, so this video is going to teach you how I slice my cakes. So what I usually like to do is to take warm water and then dip the knife in it, and then calculate the slices I might get out of a particular log of cake before cutting. So that's what I'm doing here. So make sure the knife is warm and your cake is cold. So this cake has been in the fridge for almost a month, I think about 4 weeks. It's like about 28 days, not exactly a month, but you know. And then you want to, every time you make a slice, you want to dip the knife back into the warm water, and then for a couple of seconds, and then bring it out again, and then wipe it with a tissue or something. You don't want there to be water on the knife when you cut. And then make another slice in the imprint you've made. It's important for you to make imprints first on the cake slices, that way you know where to cut, you know how many it will yield, and it's not like you just finish cutting and then realize that okay, there's a part of the slices that's not like the same size with the rest, you know. It just kind of like gives you like a guideline. Anyways, so this was me cutting the cake, and I really enjoy cutting cakes. Anyways. Okay guys, so just for you guys to know, yeah, this cake is not for sale or anything. I make fresh cakes and sell them to my customers. This cake was just, I was making experiments and like experimenting with red food coloring, different types. So this was the result of the experiment. So I tried to keep it in the fridge for a couple of weeks just to see what it will taste like. After a couple of weeks, in case my customer keeps it, what will it be like? Will they still enjoy it and stuff? And then when I brought it out, I said, okay, since I'm going to slice it anyway, let me just make a video for you guys, show you how I slice my cakes and get perfectly nice slices. So at the end of the day though, if you haven't seen that video I made about comparing food coloring, please go check it out. It is awesome. It is great, because initially on this channel I told you guys not to bake red velvet cakes with powdered food coloring. I take it back, because I was wrong. Because I've had like really good experiences with powdered food coloring in the past couple of months. Anyway, so this is how I slice my cakes, and when I was done, I tasted it, and it was still, it tasted a little, yeah, of course it can't taste like fresh cake, but it still tasted okay. If I was a customer, I still like it, even though it's like a couple of weeks old. Anyway, so that's all in this tutorial today. I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you guys for always watching my video, and make sure to give me a thumbs up underneath this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you in my future tutorials. Bye.